Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so. Meow. Meow. Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
I guess hungry?
Her. If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my God!
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Leo, listen, we need to talk. Kiss another cat. I'm sorry.